welcome back to the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show right here in your hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS.
And remember, our goal is always to guide you to personal and financial wellness.
Well, again, we're going to say happy holidays. We love the holidays. We love you being part of our lives every Saturday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., especially right now. And Don Gentley, Gino Franti here would love you to join us. Especially we got this beautiful backdrop and we're enjoying the holidays together. And you can come join us by going to donandgino.com, DONANDGINO.com. Click on the live stream button and voila, you enter the Vault Media Shows, where for over 7 years we've been sharing with you what you need to know, want to know, and should know about real estate, finance, and your community.
And you mentioned earlier, Don, how proud we are of how things have grown here at Skyline Home Loans over the last few years. It's really been fantastic. We've had a lot of fun, and I think this has been a great ride so far, and I don't want to get off.
Well, what's kind of cool is that we did want to share that with you because since Gino teed it up. What's cool is, believe it or not, was it 7 years or 8 years ago?
What?
Oh, so 7 years ago when we started our own little, barely about 7 years ago.
Yeah.
7 years ago there was 4 of us. That's right, 4 of us, include Gino, myself, and a couple other people that were in a room about the size of our studio here.
Pretty much, yep.
That had
and I'm Mr. Loud, so they had a really hard time with that.
Had a dream of doing things differently, bringing integrity, knowledge, and passion back into real estate, and really helping our clients with the right advice. And remember, that's our goal, has been since day one, is to guide you to personal and financial wellness. So the 4 of us started, and we did everything strategically and patiently to make sure that we did things right. Because some people go and just want to grow and want to put butts in seats. But we decided to only choose the very best people we can find on any section of our team, whether it's a loan officer or mortgage planner, or it's the staff that supports them. And we're very proud to say that we have only rock stars on our team. Now we've gone from 4, and I believe we have 24 or 26 now that are totally on our team, and all of them are amazing. And we're very proud that in the 7 years that we've been developing this, everybody's so proud that we've actually had none leave our team unless they were asked to leave. That's because we only want rock stars. It happens. But everybody that are rock stars and are passionate to help you with your dream of home ownership are all still here.
Right. And so the reason for that is because what we've helped them with is they've got to give you choices. They've got to give you options. And in the end, you might choose a 30-year fixed. You might just choose a very basic loan. You might choose something super simple. But something as simple as, do you want to put less money down? You know, we do that a lot, right?
Yeah, you'd be surprised. You think we all just went, tap you out, put as much down as you can.
No. I'd rather see you have reserves, right? So I talked to somebody the other day. We're going to put 10% down. And I said, well, it looks like you're going to have like $6 left after you put 10% down and pay the closing costs. I was like,
that's not stressful.
Are you sure you want to do that? How are you going to make the first month's payment? How are you going to pay for gas? I mean, that's really every dollar they had.
Right.
And I said, look, would you rather pay $120 more a month and keep 5% in your pocket? Makes all the difference in the world how that person sleeps at night. I guarantee it.
And believe it or not, that $120, you get to write off some of that interest, so it's not really $120.
You still get to write some of that off for now.
Yeah, for now.
It's not January 1st yet. We don't have tax reform yet.
We don't even know what that for sure looks like, so we haven't talked about it yet until we know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. We're very good about doing that. We watch trends. We read reports. We pay attention every single week. Doing the show has helped us be accountable to you and be better at our jobs. And that's why we also started the National Real Estate Cafe, where daily we give you updates of what's really, I'm telling you, no fake news, what's really happening in the real estate and financial markets, because we watch trends. So you'll see a report, the media will jump all over it and say, oh, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. We're like, no, it's one report, and it's because of this.
Well, they're also not in the industry.
I know, that's true.
So that's the other thing, too. When you watch the news, you're talking about newscasters. That's their title, newscaster. So do you want to believe everything that's happening from a newscaster, or do you want to believe somebody that's actually living and breathing and everything they do is real estate? So we own real estate. We live in real estate. We sell real estate. We invest in real estate. We do loans in real estate. We know real estate. There's other things maybe we don't know so well, but real estate we know pretty well.
Well, our team has like 60 years of experience just on the Don and Gino team alone, and everybody on our team here at Skyline Homes. In fact, you can find out more at SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com. That's SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com. All our people are rock stars and big time. So our goal with the entire team is to give you options and let you see what those options are. Again, like you said, you can go online and research the lowest rate. Okay, one, you're not going to get, you're also going to get the lowest service in most cases.
Most cases,
and no advice. You got somebody who literally is answering the call and pumping in the numbers and giving you a loan.
Application takers, right? Let's
Yep.
be honest. So when you just put your information into a computer, and there's basically almost a very, very, very low-skilled individual on the other side of the phone, because you will talk to someone that'll answer the phone and be nice to you and courteous, hopeful, and all those things that a customer service representative would do. They can't give you good loan advice, and that's the problem, because they can't help advise you into how to save sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars by being in the right program, even if it's a higher interest rate. Or right now, we're doing a lot of, yes, I'm going to say it, 6% loans. Don't be scared. But that's bridge financing for people that can't qualify right now because they're self-employed, because their tax is this or their tax is that. It has been more difficult to qualify self-employed borrowers, and we'll talk more about this next show, but 2018 is the year for the self-employed borrower to come back to this market. Bank statement programs are fantastic
Well,
now.
all of us need to. We're self-employed basically ourselves, are on commission, so we get it. So our goal is to give you, I mean, for example, you can get what's called a loan estimate that gives you the breakdown of all the costs. But what does that mean? Wouldn't you rather have a 4-page, 4-color breakdown that breaks down every detail and the options? For example, believe it or not, there's 4, 5, 6 ways to skin the cat regarding mortgage insurance.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You didn't know that. You thought, oh. And what's amazing, we just talked to a client, perfect example, that said, hey, you want to avoid mortgage insurance because people, I don't want to pay mortgage insurance. Even though it's a good thing, means you don't have to put 20% down, so it's not a bad thing. But there are ways to go around it or restructure it. And this basically, the other lender basically said, oh, just do an 80-10-10. Failed to tell her that the 10% second was an adjustable rate mortgage and was probably going up in December, which it did.
Yeah, I was going to say it's tied to prime. So look, home equity lines of credit are really interesting. So if I was to look into our crystal ball once again, what's going to be scary about home equity lines of credit is you're going to take one right now because you say, I don't want to touch my first mortgage because I have a great rate on it. So I'm just going to take a home equity line of credit. That's fine as long as you know you can pay it off within the next 10 years. As those rates continue to climb on your second, and let's say that $100,000 second goes to 8%, 9%, and those interest rates, which it will, it probably will, what's going to end up happening is you're going to say, oh, you know what, can I just combine it with my first? And now you're going to end up with a 5 1/4 first or a 5 1/2 first instead of getting into a nice big first now in the low 4s.
Somebody thinking ahead on your behalf is a valuable thing. Again, you can find out more at SantaClaritaHomeLoan.com. And we have a great segment coming up giving you more advice and what our projections are for 2018 when we come back to the Don and Gino Real Estate and Finance Show.
But
right
wait,
now,
who's going to give us a little bit of love?
Yes, you're going to get a little bit more holiday love because we love our team and they love you and they want to share their love. We got Scott Edwards.
Nice, the mortgage dog.
Going to come on, and also our guy, Don T and Tina, that helps the Don and Gino team with our personal financing. They are rock stars. Coming to share the love in just a few minutes. Don't go away.
Hi, my name is Scott the Mortgage Doc, and man, I'm excited to do this today. So today, they asked me, what am I thankful for? And if you had asked me 3 days ago, that answer would probably have been different. Today is a little somber moment. I've got some family members that are going through some health issues, and I think about what am I thankful for? And I recently got married to the woman I love, Miss Brooke Edwards. And I am thankful for her, and I'm thankful for the wedding that we got to have just a few weeks ago, where we got to have all of our family members, all close members there with us, and there are pictures that we're going to cherish for years and years and years. So I am absolutely thankful for the wedding. I'm thankful for all the amazing pictures and the videos that we got. I'm thankful for the doctors that are taking care of our grandparents right now, and our family members. And other than that, I'm just thankful to be here today. I'm in this beautiful, wonderful weather today, be here on this earth, be here to be able to serve and take care of all of my amazing clients. So again, my name is Scott the Mortgage Doc, and I'm just thankful to be here.
Hi, I'm Tina Greger. I'm on the Don and Gino team.
Hi, I'm Don Tasinovich. I'm a loan officer for the Don and Gino team. Tina and I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
We hope you're enjoying the holiday season and traditions with your friends and family. This holiday, I'm very thankful that my firefighter husband, Kevin, who's been away at the Thomas fires, will be home to celebrate Christmas with our 2 children.
Every year my family gets together for Christmas dinner. This year my son, who is a firefighter, will not be able to join us. Please give thanks to all of our first responders who are going to be away from their families this Christmas to keep us safe.
Happy holidays.